Hello and welcome. Welcome to the TV room. David Bradley here. I have right here a cool cartridge called Bradley's Basic, made by Matthew Desmond. And his website is factorofmat.com. Two T's in. Yeah, two T's in. Anyway, this is a cartridge. I have not had a cartridge into this machine. And even though this machine seems to be quite fine and quite dandy and quite happy, until you've tested things in various ports, why am I having trouble getting this in? There's nothing in the way. At least I don't think there's anything in the way. What's going on? Why can't I get this in? What is going on here? Alright, I'm going to pick this up. What is going on? Maybe. Do I have the keyboard? Should be okay. It's just a normal cartridge, I tell you. Alright, what's going on? This is not normal. I'm going to take the keyboard off for a second, but not. I'm disconnecting the LED, but not the keyboard. And then I'm going to see if I can get this in here without the benefit of the keyboard. Okay, now we're going in. I wonder what. Anyway, now we're just going to see if this cartridge works. So I'm going to turn this on. And now the screen should come up in black. And it should then say Commodore Basic version 2 Plus. And it has a little less RAM, but it adds a bunch of commands. So that's okay. So it does seem to be working for the cartridge. Another good thing to test out before you try and tell somebody that indeed you have a working Commodore 64. So I'm going to take this off, turn this off, pull out this cartridge, and you know what, just for fun, because I have no idea what this is, a Zone Ranger. I'm going to try and put this in here and see what comes up. Loading Zone Ranger. See how they mess with the border? Ooh. Activision. Cool. Now, I have noticed something. On this cartridge, Bradley's Basic, there's now a scratch. So I am thinking that what has happened here, and I'm not going to play Zone Ranger at this moment, but I'm thinking what's happened here is that the the cover, come on keyboard, come on out, the cover over the keyboard is bent. But that sounds like a serious operation, and my brother is calling, so we'll see you again soon. We'll carry on with these tests. Bye for now.